everybody, it's Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. We're talking today about BMW's intelligent safety features. On your dashboard, you'll see this button that looks like a vehicle with a green circle around it. Let's go ahead and press that to bring a menu up. And let's first talk about the various safety systems we have available. In this car, we have forward collision mitigation, we've got side collision mitigation, lane departure warning, and active blind spot detection. You can see that we can actually make some choices here about how we would like each of these to behave. I'll actually turn side collision warning off just for our purposes here today, and I'll keep the rest of these settings as they were. Okay, so with that, we can actually toggle through by pressing on that button to make sure that all the systems are on, or we can say, let's take all those individually configured settings that I just did and let's put those into effect. You might remember I turned off side collision mitigation. When at least one of these systems are off, the circle around the car is going to turn orange. You can actually turn all of these systems off by pressing and holding that button for 3 seconds. It'll tell us that everything's been deactivated. That circle around the car goes away completely at that point. Okay everyone, that's our overview of BMW's intelligent safety features. If you have any specific questions or comments, please post them below. Go ahead and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, we'd love to see you here at your local BMW dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.